Meet Duke Caboom, a daring and delightful toy stunt dog. One evening, Duke was all set for a thrilling adventure. He was ready to race down the hill, performing tricks as he went. Suddenly, Duke noticed a young boy sitting on a swing, looking sad. "Hi there," Duke said. "What's wrong?" "I can't find my lost kite," the boy replied. They walked through the park together, their spirits high. Duke jumped over bushes, and even did a backflip on a seesaw. But the kite was nowhere to be found. The sun began to set, and the boy started to cry. "Don't worry," Duke said, "we'll find it, I promise." Then, just as the last ray of sunlight disappeared, they spotted the kite, stuck in an old tree. "That's it," the boy cheered, and Duke did a happy dance. Together, they climbed the tree and rescued the kite. The boy thanked Duke, and they both headed home, with the kite flying proudly high in the sky. Before the boy went to bed, he thanked Duke again. "Duke, you're the best toy I've ever had." Duke smiled and replied, "I'm just glad I could help." That night, under the twinkling stars, the boy slept soundly. And Duke, with his tail wagging, curled up by the boy's side, ready for another day of adventure and friendship. The end.